Aloha everyone, this is Imelda from Imelda's Jungle. Today I'm sharing it to you, my beautiful succulents. They're so beautiful. They're pretty. And I'm just letting you know that it's the succulents we're growing using disposable cups. Two years ago, I just planted them on these disposable cups. I put a hole in the bottom and put some soil and put some leaves on the top of the cups and just put on the side and let it grow. You're gonna just visit every week to spray or just water until they can uh, they can grow and turn into this later on. So you don't need to spend a lot of money in order to enjoy succulents. And the best thing that I can share to you guys is you can save money. You don't need to buy, but if you have a lot, then you can buy the one from Home Depot, or you can order online, but they're really expensive, especially we're living in here in Hawaii. You have sometimes you have to pay the shipping and handling, and sometimes it's it don't look like perfect like this because just imagine they're in a box for a few days or a week before they can reach to us. So if you want to save money and loves the time that you spend to your plant, that you're the one who grew your own plants, the journey of that is it's really you cannot pay any money on the moment that you spend, that the feelings that you feel when you're able to grow something from scratch, and you're gonna enjoy later on, like what I did right here. Then anyway, even I started it from the disposable cups, you can transfer it to a nicer pots later on if you have money to spend on that. And or you can make your own pots, like from scratch, like using your old clothes and just buy cement and mix it with it. But for me right now, I'm just showing it to you right now that this succulents is ready to move on the nicer pots. So I'm just showing to you guys what this succulents look like after 2 years growing in a cup. So it is possible that you can grow them just on disposable cups. and enjoy later on. And I'm just using the black bottom part to catch the water. Is free. Also, when you bought chicken or beef or fish, that's the one in the package. So I just collect it so that I can use it in the future for my plants. So the next time I'm gonna move it to a nicer pot. So just for experimenting growing, you can do it. So the next time I will make a video doing it like from what I did, like just putting the succulents on the top of the soil and just water it once a week or spray until they can be rooted and have the small plants, and it turns to be like this later on. So we don't need to have a lot of money just to have these plants in the future. So it's like something that you just do it for, like, nothing will lose from you. Just spend some experimentation and a little bit of your time. The feelings that you can feel when you can grow something from scratch. You cannot pay that feelings. Any money that you're able to pay, you cannot compare, or I cannot describe. It's amazing feelings. So try it. If you're always bored and stuff, do this thing, and I'm surely you can feel what I feel when I'm growing this succulents. And I have a free cat in there too. She always wants to be my body. She's free from my friend, and she's enjoying right now doing something like planting. When I do my gardening, she's with me running around. She's so happy. And right now she saw me making a video and she's there. Hello, how are you, little? Hey, how are you there? Hi, say hi to them. Come on, say hi. Hi. Okay, come on. Hey. Hey. She's so cute. She's so lovable. She got a lot of energy running around, catching any kind. Yeah, you love gardening, yeah? Hey. Say bye to them. Say bye. Okay. We're going back in here. So I'm inviting you to watch more of my videos. Sorry, I'm not ready to show my face because I'm just shy. So I'm just showing this plants to you and this beautiful little creature in here. I'm so happy that I got her. Hey, hey, hey! Say bye now! So please watch my future videos. I have a YouTube channel that I'm sharing my videos in there. It's not professional. I don't do something like it's just after I did a video, I just upload it. That's it. No more editing yet. I don't know how to do it. So see you on my next video. Thank you for your precious time that you spend with me. Mahalo. Bye.